Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
Hey everyone, welcome back to the kitchen. Today, we're demystifying an ingredient you might not know, Vico. It's a fantastic base for so many meals, offering a subtle flavor that truly complements other ingredients. You'll find it's incredibly simple to prepare, making it a perfect addition to your weekly cooking routine. Get ready to transform your meals with this humble yet powerful food. It's easier than you think. Before we cook, let's get our Vico ready. Start by accurately measuring the amount you need. A good rule of thumb is 1 cup per person. Next, give your Vico a quick rinse under cool, running water for about 30 seconds. This helps remove any excess starch, ensuring a better texture. Finally, have your cooking pot and the appropriate amount of water nearby, ready for the next step. Now for the main event, cooking your Vico. The key is the right water ratio. Use 2 parts water for every 1 part Vico. Bring this mixture to a strong boil over medium-high heat. Once it's boiling, immediately reduce the heat to low, cover the pot tightly, and let it simmer gently for about 15 to 20 minutes. Patience is key here. Let the Vico absorb all that delicious liquid. Once your Vico has finished simmering, resist the urge to peek immediately. Instead, remove it from the heat and let it rest, still covered, for about 5 minutes. This allows it to steam perfectly and firm up. Then, gently fluff it with a fork. You'll see how beautifully the grains separate. Now's the time to season it to your taste, maybe with a little salt, pepper, or a simple knob of butter. And there you have it, perfectly cooked Vico ready to enjoy. You can serve it simply as a comforting side dish, or use it as a hearty base for your favorite stir-fries and salads. It truly complements almost anything, from roasted vegetables to grilled chicken. Don't forget, any leftovers can be stored in an airtight container for a few days, making meal prep a breeze. Happy cooking, and enjoy your delicious Vico.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.